Hi folks, and thanks for joining me. A look at the Airmaster radio that I'm still working on, the heater string. You can see everything depicted where I installed the 8 microfarad capacitor AC cap. I also put a CL-90 Thermistor in, and of course a fuse. I had somebody reach out to me via email and want me to explain the shunt resistors they saw in the last video that I did not build off of, and they're highlighted in blue. I installed a type 44 dial lamp rated at 0.25 amps, and of course you can see the series itself is looking for 0.3 amps or 300 milliamps, so we've got a difference of 50 milliamps of current. So to calculate the shunt resistors needed, I've placed the math at the bottom of the video just for informational purposes if someone needs to replicate my efforts. Thanks for watching.